Observe my eye and see how it changes. It's the kind of difference that you know there's a change, but you don't know exactly what it is because you can't put your finger on it. That, my friends, is how you subtly enhance your eye shape using eye contour. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the art of eye contour, where you're not going to be using any eyeshadows. Instead, you're going to be using contours and highlight to subtly enhance your natural features. So if you're ready, let's begin. Let's get done with the brows because they play a huge part in the way your eyes get contoured. I'm going to be using a transparent gel. This is by Ofra Cosmetics. And using a spoolie, I'm going to brush my brow hair upwards. Everything moves upward and outward in this method, and then with the back of a brush, I'm just going to flatten my brow hair before I fill it in. To fill in just the sparse areas, I'm going to be using the Aqua Resist Brow Definer. This is by Makeup Forever, and I'm using the shade Soft Brown. For eye contouring, I'm going to be using two different shades of the LA Girl HD Pro Conceal. The lighter shade is in Natural, which I'll be using for highlighting, and the deeper shade is in Toffee, which I'll be using for contouring. To clean up underneath the brows, I'm going to start with the shade Natural, and then I'm going to mix in a little bit of the deeper shade, which is Toffee, just to bring it down to my skin tone. Now for eye contouring, you just need to remember the placement. I'm starting with the shade Toffee, which is the deeper shade. And the way I'm going to place this is in the inner crease up to half of my lid space. And I'm going to also carve out the outer corner. And then I'm going to use the shade Natural, which is the lighter shade, in the inner corner and in the lid space. Using a small flat shader brush, I'm going to start blending this out. First, I'm going to diffuse the lighter shade and then I will work on the deeper shade. What you need to remember with highlights and contours is anything that's a lighter shade will bring things forward or make it protrude. And anything that's deeper will push things back. So here we're using a lighter shade on the lid to make it appear bigger. And we're using a deeper shade at the crease and outer corner to give definition to the lid. I'm going to clean up the outer corner using the lighter shade, and that'll give a sharper edge. And that in turn makes the eyes look more elongated. With the setting powder from Kosas, I'm going to lightly set my entire lid. So I'm going over both the contour as well as highlighter shades to set it, and that brings everything together and makes everything look very subtle. And then I'm also going to be using the deeper shade in my lower lash line. I'm going to be using the Kohl liner from House Labs in the very outer corner of my lash line. And then I'm going to smudge it out using a flat shader brush. So that'll give again a very elongated look, and it gives you that very soft wing. So if you have hooded eyes, it's very forgiving. That's pretty much it. Those were the simple steps to contour your eyes. And now I'm going to finish up with some mascara. But before that, I'm curling my lashes. And the way I'm curling it is I'm almost pushing it outward and upward. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals Strength and Length Mascara. Again, pushing my lashes outward and upward to get that elongated eye look. Now, I'm not going to be using any false lashes today, but if you prefer to use something that wings out because it lifts your outer corner, again, giving you that naturally elongated eye look. Or you can also cut your lash strip into half and use it just in the outer corner. It gives you the same effect. Again, let's look at the before one more time. And here is the after. This is the kind of look that I would wear all the time to work because it looks so natural and not overly done, but at the same time it enhances your features, so it looks so elegant. And it's not too much work. All you need is two different shades of concealers and a mascara. Let's finish up the entire look. I'm going to be using the Soft Pinch Liquid Blush by Rare Beauty in the shade Grateful. These blushes are highly pigmented, so all you need is very little, and they're also very blendable. So if you apply too much, you can use a powder puff to soften it up. I'm not going to be using any highlighter today because I like a matte look today. I don't know why, but yeah. And I'm going to go straight to my lips. I'm going to first line my lips with the Jordana lip liner in Pink Love. And then I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals Lip Gloss Balm in Sincerity. These are my all-time favorite lip glosses. They are so pigmented and they look just so beautiful on the lips. I have every single shade from Bare Minerals. And here's the finished look. I love the way it came together, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. So comment below and let me know. And would you try it? If you do, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed down below in the description box along with all the products that I used today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.